All right, welcome to week 10. This is the week when everything changes. As I may have mentioned elsewhere, I carefully read the Agronoff text while I was in Wyoming and concluded that it's graduate level material and almost certainly way beyond what I could reasonably expect an undergraduate to pick up. Um, I'm not averse to anything, to assigning graduate level material and then teaching it down, but I didn't think in this case that that was a reasonable expectation. So instead, once we're done with the Robertson text, we're going to be looking at some issues and some case studies for weeks 11 through 16. What does that mean for the final unit of study? It means first, there aren't going to be any PowerPoints. I don't think I'm going to have time to put those sorts of things together. Two, the study guides will be considerably more truncated, but I will attempt to get study guides up as soon as I decide on the material that we'll be looking at on a week-to-week basis. Um, I have basically been building this course one step ahead of you guys, so there's always been an improvisational aspect to it. This week we're concluding Unit 3, which means a couple of things. First, we're looking at Robertson's final chapter, which brings our exploration of American federalism up to date. How is federalism working in these days of Trump? Are Democrats currently using federalism as a shield to prevent what they consider to be the worst ideas Trump is attempting to put into place? Um, in addition to the quiz and the forum this week, we have the Unit 3 examination. So be sure you take the week 10 quiz prior to taking the examination because the material for this week is included in the exam. I would also advise students to wait until you've participated in the forum for at least a couple of days because we may address something in the exam that will help you better prepare. So that's all for now. Let's learn a lot this week. Have a great week.